Hey guys, so I saw this footage of an abandoned school on YouTube, and I thought it was really cool. And it has lots of vintage ceiling fans in it, so I thought I would take the parts of the footage that show the fans and add my own narration. You should definitely go check out the original video. Everything they show is really cool. But here, hopefully this will introduce it to a new audience. And not only that, but if you just want to see the fans, then here you go. So the school was built in the late 50s, so obviously the fans were added later. Let's go inside. Okay, so here's a classroom with 3 4-blade Blenderfans.
Cool.
They are the mid-70s version, or mid to late 70s, which is probably when they're added. I'm thinking that's the fan control there over the blackboard. The conduit goes up to where the fans are, and I haven't seen anything else that looks remotely like a fan control. Okay, there he is pointing out the fans. And can't tell what those fluorescent lights are. Obviously they're vintage, but
Obviously, this was an old school.
can't identify them. Okay, here's another classroom with 3 of the same fans.
That maybe the
And more conduit going to what looks like a fan control over the blackboard. There's some other electrical stuff there on the side wall, but nothing that looks like a fan control. 3rd classroom where somebody removed the fans, probably a scrapper. Show the blackboard. Yep, and also what looks like a fan control. Yet another classroom, 2 fans. Let's see if there's a 3rd one, if he shows the 3rd one. Nope, he only shows 2. So this is obviously the coolest room. Just check out how many fans are in here, plus those cool metal light fixtures, plus the stage. There's probably some cool stage lighting. It doesn't get shown in the video. I was trying to count how many fans there are. There's, 3 rows of 5, so 15 fans all in one room? That's just so cool. That, I think, is the fan control, not that air duct there, but right there. I think that's the fan control. That one has a bent blade.
Play for us?
Yeah, I've never seen a school
Or show and act something?
this cool in my lifetime. Would have loved to have gone to this school and had all the Blenderfans. None of the schools I went to had particularly cool fans. So, yeah, definitely check out the original video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.